Today we're here to show you how to replace the head on a Honeywell PM45 thermal transfer printer. Before performing a head replacement, it's highly recommended that you use an ESD mat and wrist strap. These electrostatic discharge devices ensure that the new part won't be damaged when you go through the installation process. To replace a thermal print head on a PM45, simply open the lid, open the latch, and remove the magnetic connection from the print head, like so. Simply move the print head forward and detach the cables. It's as easy as that. To install the new print head, simply do the reverse of removal. Get the new print head, insert the power connector, and insert the data lead, and simply slot the head back onto the bar and magnetically connect. Now simply reinstall the media and close the head. Turning the printer back on now, we can test to see how the print quality is now. You should always perform a quick self-test and a test print to ensure the head installation has been successful. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching.